Welcome back to How to Mobile Photo. I'm Neeta Shankar, a wedding and lifestyle photographer from Bangalore. India's e-commerce market is expected to reach $350 billion by 2030, and product photography plays one of the most vital roles in selling any product to the customer. Big brands invest a lot of money into product photography, but small home businesses may not have similar kind of budgets when it comes to taking their products to market. They mostly rely on phones, and a lot of them don't know how to shoot good photos on phone. Today, I'll be showing you how to do product photography using a smartphone, using this brand new Vivo X80 powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor. We will learn how easy it is to set up a DIY product shoot studio and get some great looking product shots at home. Furthermore, we will learn how to style products with simple props and take product photography to the next level. Since we will be taking a lot of pictures and videos during product shoots, we would not want to waste time in transferring all that data. With MediaTek Dimensity 9000's chipset, this smartphone allows the photographer to transfer photo-video files in a flash, thanks to its UFS 3.1 storage. Firstly, to start off, all you need for your product shoot setup is a big window, a white chart paper for the background, and foam boards or reflectors to fill in the shadows. Lighting is the most crucial part of a product shoot. For best lighting, choose a spot right next to a bright window, like I have done here. Try to shoot when the sun is at the brightest. If your window light is harsh with hard contrasty shadows, you can use sheer curtains to soften the light. You can also use a diffuser, which is a translucent fabric that diffuses the hard light into soft, even light. This is a very inexpensive accessory and can be really helpful. Place your subject right next to the window with the diffused window light illuminating one side of the subject. Fill in shadows created on the other side with white foam boards to create soft lighting. Try to use textured backdrops or just use a plain white chart paper. Take pictures at multiple angles, showcasing the true color, shape, and details of the product. If you want to use these pictures on e-commerce sites, you can edit these images in Photoshop Mobile or any other similar app and easily select object, refine edges, and remove the background to add clean white or any other colored background too. For an alternate variation, you could also use the hard light from the window to shoot products with an interesting background of light and shadows. In this picture, I'm using the shadows of the window grill to frame my product and taking some interesting images. Have fun with your products. Here, I was photographing this small glass tumbler and I tried to pour a soft drink to freeze some motion and add some interest to the image. You can also shoot products in the golden hour sunlight. Golden hour is the time of the day when sunlight is really beautiful and hitting the subject at a 45-degree angle. This directional soft light is available 1 hour after sunrise and 1 hour before sunset. So if you want to shoot products outside or on your terrace, make the most of the golden hour. Here I am taking some product shots in the beautiful evening sunlight on my terrace. I'm using a foam board to bounce some light into the shadows. Product styling is another way to add interest to your image. Here I am shooting a simple food photograph, and to add interest, I'm using various props like spoons and different spices for the background. Experiment with various elements and their placement and make different compositions to choose from. Make sure that the styling isn't excessive. Keep it simple and minimal. Another simple tip for creating different backgrounds is to use wallpapers on your laptop screen and use a glass or a reflective surface underneath to create a reflection as well. You could also use fairy lights at a distance in the background to create bokeh. And guess what? Even after a long shoot, look at the battery level. With MediaTek Dimensity 9000 enhanced LPDDR5, this smartphone consumes very less power and battery and can last for long hours in a day. To quickly summarize what we learned today, use large windows as your light source, Use sheer curtains or a diffusion panel in front of the windows to soften the light. Use foam boards or a reflector to fill in the shadows. Capture photos that showcase the shape, form, and color of your product accurately. Style your products using simple props to add interest. Lighting is crucial, so use the golden hour to your advantage. And finally, don't forget to edit these pictures before sharing them with your audience. Okay, so let's have a look at all the images of various products we shot today. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you next week.